Have you ever wondered if your cat can sense your mood or even absorb negative energy? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating connection between our feline friends and the energies around us. We'll delve into popular beliefs, anecdotal evidence, and even a bit of science to understand how cats might interact with human emotions and negative vibrations. Cats have long been revered in various cultures for their mystical qualities and intuitive nature. From ancient Egyptian deities to modern-day companions, their reputation for sensitivity and mysterious insights precedes them. It's believed that cats possess highly developed senses, allowing them to pick up on subtle cues that humans might miss. This includes changes in our body language, vocal tones, and even our physiological responses to stress or sadness. They are very attuned to their environment. Many cat owners swear by their pet's ability to absorb negative energy. Stories abound of cats sitting on a distressed owner's lap, purring intensely, and seemingly drawing out their anxieties. Some believe this is a natural protective instinct of cats. These aren't just old wives' tales. Many people genuinely feel a shift in their emotional state after spending time with their cats, especially during times of stress or sadness. It's a powerful testimony to the comfort and support cats provide. Beyond anecdotal evidence, cats are increasingly recognized as emotional support animals. Their calming presence and unconditional affection make them ideal companions for those dealing with anxiety, depression, or even PTSD. This recognition speaks volumes about their therapeutic potential. While the idea of cats absorbing negative energy lacks direct scientific proof, the positive impact of human-animal interaction is well documented. Studies show that petting a cat can lower blood pressure, reduce cortisol levels, and release oxytocin, promoting feelings of well-being. Cats are highly sensitive to human emotions, often mirroring our moods. If we're stressed, they might become more anxious. If we're relaxed, they're likely to be too. This emotional mirroring contributes to the feeling that they are in tune with our inner states. One of the most comforting sounds in the world is a cat's purr. The low-frequency vibrations of a purr are believed to have therapeutic effects, promoting healing and relaxation in both cats and humans. It's truly a unique form of feline therapy. So how exactly do cats help us? They provide a non-judgmental presence, offering solace and distraction from our worries. Their consistent routines and gentle nature create a sense of stability, which can be incredibly grounding during chaotic times. Having a cat can significantly reduce stress and anxiety. The act of caring for a pet, the simple joy of their companionship, and their playful antics can provide a much-needed emotional outlet and positive focus away from daily stressors. By providing a consistent, loving presence, cats help create a calming and stable home environment. This emotional stability is crucial for processing and releasing any negative energies we might be carrying, making our homes true sanctuaries. Whether it's absorbing negative energy or simply providing unconditional love, cats play a profound role in our well-being. Their intuitive nature and comforting presence make them invaluable companions in navigating life's ups and downs. The special bond we share with our feline friends is a testament to their unique ability to connect with us on a deep, emotional level. They are more than just pets. They are family, healers, and silent guardians of our emotional health. So next time you feel a bit down, let your cat work their magic. Their purrs, their presence, and their mysterious wisdom might just be the comfort you need. Embrace the feline power.